Hi boys and girls, so we are going to be using our mental math strategies to count backwards. You could also use 120 chart if you need some help. So let's try 51 minus 10. So what if we're doing unfriendly tens, what comes before 51? 41. Very good, let's write 41. Good, and then on our next one, we have 64 minus 30. So now we're going to count back 3 times, okay? So 54, 44, 34. 34. Good. 98 minus 20. 88, 78. So we're just counting backwards. This one is 72 minus 50. So we're going to take 5 counts backwards when we start on 72. So try it with me. 62, 52, 42, 32, 22. Okay. 85 minus 10. What is the number that comes before 85 when we're counting by tens? 75. Very good. 32 minus 20. So we're going to start at 32 and count back 20. 22, 12. Good. 77 minus 60. So this is a pretty big one. We're going to count back 6 times from 77. Okay? 67, 57, 47, 37, 27, and then 17. Okay, 95 minus 20. Let's count backwards 2 times. 85, 75. Okay, I want you to push pause and try this side on your own, and then push play and see if you got the answers right. So go ahead and push pause and give it a try. Okay, now we're back. Let's try. What did you get for 42 minus 20? 22. Good. 30 minus 10? 20. 80 minus 30, what answer did you find? It's 50. 19 minus 10 is 9. Okay, this was a really big one. It's 96 minus 90. So when you count it back 9 times, you should have landed on 6. Okay? 54 minus 40. If we count back 4 times from 54, what did you end up on? 14. Say hi to the kids.
Hi.
This is Allie. They're doing some math. Okay. 63, if we count back 3 times, 3 tens, what did you end up on? 33. And then 81 minus 20, if we count backwards 2 times, we stop on 61. Very good. So if you did all those answers, good job. If you made a mistake, mistakes are okay. You just erase it and fix it. And then let's the back side. This is some subtraction practice that you haven't seen before, but it's just simple subtraction facts. You can use your number line, you can use mental math, whatever strategies work for you. So I'll do a couple with you and then you can finish the rest on your own. So I like to use the dots, so I count backwards and do the dots. So 8, 7, 6, 5. Oops, sorry, I'm going to fix that 5. Okay, 9 minus 2, if I do 2 dots, I go 9, 8, 7, 8, 7, 6, 9 minus 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 6 minus 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and the last one I'm going to do with you is 7 minus 3, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. Now you can go ahead and finish the rest on your own and then do what your teacher would have you do.